Finally here at Columbus Trucks and Coffee. They got some dope Range Rovers out here though, I know that. Let's go see what they got going on at the show. Let me show you guys what they got. I low-key like the Velars, but like in a sport edition, blacked out. I don't know. I don't think I could ever buy a Range Rover though. With the reputation that they have, they got the styling, but the reputation is just not all that great in my opinion. I don't like these. I think the Discoveries. I don't really like the Discoveries. But the Velars, I like how the doors come out like a Tesla. And then you got the Range Rover Sport. Well, I think that's the HS. No, that's not the HSC. That's the regular Sport. And then you got the classic Range Rovers. Then these are the HSCs right here. Extended wheelbase. Got this big ass dog. This thing right here is sick. Definitely got a wheel package, bigger tires, well, off-road tires, suspension. It's got the cage in the back. Got the shovel, spotlights, wheel up top, the gas tanks up top. And then you got your Jeep. It's got a CB radio in it. Strobe light, well, not strobe light, whatever they call that light. Got your shovel. Got your lights in the back. Lifted with the tires. I think that's like a camping thing. Military green Hummer over there. Got your F-150 XLT. I'll definitely put a lift kit on this with the tire package. What's up, man? I definitely want one of these right here. I'll just have to like put a lift kit on it, big tires. I don't know, I think I'll go to G-Wagon before I go with this regular G-Wagon, do the lift kit conversion. Got your H3 right here. Definitely needs to be lifted. Tires look too big for the car, for the truck. Yeah, this looks dope right here. It's got the, I forgot what they call that wrap. Oh, that's tough. Definitely looks good though. I think it needs bigger tires. This thing over here looks so mean. I would love this. Oh my goodness. Classic Hummer with the tailgate. It's got the military green.
Oh, you can see the latches for the windshield that flip down.
This is so clean.
The windshield flip down.
Classic right here.
Wow.
I bet this thing has no air conditioning, no heat. I think that's a radio, I mean a speaker, probably. I don't know if this thing has a radio in it. Does not. Some of them have like the seats right there in the middle. Got the fuel wheels. something I would like to. The F-Type. Oh my goodness. It's the S. Definitely need to take a test drive one of these. How much is the base price on this thing? Does not say, but definitely has no warranty. I mean, it's an okay turnout, I guess. I guess it's probably something new, so they gotta get more people to get involved. If I had a truck, I'll definitely come through. Plus, it's kind of cold out and it's gloomy and a little drizzle. We got this bad boy. What is this one? 22s. This thing is sweet. It's the velour. So I was talking about with the kind of Tesla doors, door handles. That's cool. And they go back in. It's just so hard. The doors are pretty small though. But yeah, this is so hard. Look at the leather. Got the bloody guts. Got the panoramic roof. It smells like money in here. Look at this center console. Oh man. Everything is touch. And then also the steering wheel is touch too. Oh man, this thing is so clean. It's got carbon fiber right here. It's going for 98 focus. Can't get the focus, but it's going for 98,000, 99,000. This is the velour. Look at the black package. This is so clean. You got the Evoque. I don't really like the Evoque, like talking about. I mean, it's cool, but it's just not. I think I'll take the velour over the Evoque. They look the same though. Well, this is probably different. The door panel is probably different. Steering wheel's the same. I think all of the Land Rovers, Range Rovers are going into this center console style. It's definitely smaller in here. Like, look how much space is down there. That's probably like somebody for 5'9" and below, or 5'10" and below. And then there's barely any space in the back. You got your black wheels. What is this running on? 20s. And then you got the big boy. He's running on 21s. The Range Rover Sport. This is a beast of a looking car. Oh my goodness. It looks so sweet, but look at that price. It looks so sweet, but I could never buy one. The engines just don't last. This one has like regular door handles. Then you got your this one has a bigger screen right there. That screen looks wider. Panoramic roof. Definitely looks sweet. I've never actually been in a Range Rover before. Looks so hard. It doesn't look like it'll be comfy in here though. Maybe on the extended wheelbase. This is the regular one. I think the extended wheelbase, they have like the lines that go down like that. Like this. This is it. Yeah, this is looking at it, comparing it, you can see the difference in the length. And that's the regular wheelbase. And this is the extended wheelbase. Definitely a difference. This is running on 21s also. definitely has different doors, different speakers. Yeah, this is tough. Yeah, the seats feel different in this too. Definitely has a bigger screen. Look at that. Definitely something. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Lights up right there. Got the panoramic roof. Oh yeah, that's tough. Look at the back. It's got like executive seats. The plush pillow. Or you can control the seat right here also. I don't know what that is. It's probably like if you're about to open up the door, there's somebody pulling up beside you. It's got the sunshade. I don't know what that is. It's got light. You got buttons right here also. This is cool. They make some nice looking cars, but you can tell, like, look at the difference. It's got like house carpet looking color. Carpets. Yeah, this is clean. This is so clean. Now you can look at the rear end. And then look at that. Definitely a big difference. So clean. I bet these are probably like, I'll give it 110. Dang. 127. And then, oh, this is the SVR right here. This is the top dog right here. This has a V8, I believe. Twin turbo V8, I'm not sure. 129,000. This blue is fire. Oh my goodness. Like, look at the interior. It's got lights down there. Or inside here somewhere. Oh, in there. Look at the seats. It's got the bucket seats. This is hard. It gives you like the luxury, but still gives you the luxury, but still gives you like the sportiness of it. SVR. This jump is hard with the white on black with the Alcantara. Still got the panoramic roof. Got the bucket seats in the back. Like, this thing is so hard. And these things move too. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh man, this thing is so hard. This is something I'll probably keep for like 5 months and then give it back, so it won't break down on me. Let's get the black top. This thing is so mean. Yeah, this thing's serious. Yeah, this is dope. And this is the original one right here.
Really?
Yeah. Some people put lights in here. They change out the bumpers. Oh man, look how tight that is. There's barely any clearance for the caliper. Got your floorboard. Got the orange accents in there. Panoramic roof. This thing is clean though. I'm gonna go back home, see if anything has arrived regarding my parts. Probably won't put them on today, but I guess I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, hit that bell notification so you can be updated when I drop